Imagine wearing a dress made without fabric. No needles, no stitching, just lasers and powder shaping an outfit layer by layer. Sounds futuristic, right? It's happening right now with 3D printing in fashion. Now, this technology is reshaping the industry, and today we are deep diving into how it actually works, its benefits, and the incredible designs that you can do with this technology. Let's get started. 3D printing isn't just about creating small plastic gadgets or prototypes anymore. It's about transforming industries from creating life-saving medical implants to designing futuristic buildings. And fashion? Oh yes, it is embracing this tech in the most creative ways possible. So whether it's jaw-dropping runway designs, sustainable sneakers, or even accessories that react to your mood, 3D printing has opened doors to a world we once thought was only possible in the sci-fi movies. Today, let's explore this fascinating world of fashion in 3D printing. So how does 3D printing actually work in fashion? It starts with a digital blueprint, a computer-generated design of the garment or accessory. Now imagine designing a dress on a computer where every detail from the texture to the structure is meticulously planned. Then a 3D printer takes this design and builds it layer by layer. Instead of using fabrics or threads, the printer uses materials like plastic, resin, or even recycled waste. Stunning example of this is kinematics, a dress by nervous system. It's made of thousands of interlocking pieces but printed as a single object without any assembly required. How cool is that? Let's talk about why 3D printing is such a big deal in fashion. First up, sustainability. Now, traditional garment production generates a lot of waste. Think fabric, scraps, water pollution, and overproduction. With 3D printing, there's almost zero waste. You only use the material you actually need, making it eco-friendly alternative. For example, fashion tech brand Zelafed creates 3D printed shoes that are 100% recyclable. Secondly, customization. Now imagine ordering a dress that fits you perfectly because it's designed specifically for your body measurements. No more adjustments of hems or altering your sleeves. It's just made for you. Some bridal designers are exploring this to create bespoke wedding dresses without wasting any fabric. And then there's innovation. 3D printing allows designers to create structures and textures that were previously impossible. Now think of dresses with interlocking parts, sculptural designs that look like they belong in an art gallery, or sneakers with sole tailored perfectly for your foot shape. Adidas Futurecraft 4D sneakers are a perfect example. They use 3D printing for performance-driven design that look amazing too. Now let's deep dive into some of the jaw-dropping examples. You've probably heard of Iris Van Herpen, the queen of 3D printed fashion. Her designs like the magnetic motion and crystallization collections are inspired by nature and science. She's collaborated with architects and scientists to create amazing garments that push the boundaries of art and tech. Then we have Julia Koiner, an architect turned fashion designer. She has worked with Marvel Studios to create 3D printed costumes for Black Panther. Remember those stunning Wakandan outfits? Yes, 3D printing made those possible. Adidas is using 3D printing to revolutionize footwear. Their 4D midsoles are not only stylish but also engineered for better performance. Similarly, New Balance has introduced shoes with 3D printed midsoles that adapt to individual athletes. And let's not forget accessories. Italian brand XYZ Bag offers customizable 3D printed handbags. You can choose the shape, size, and even the color, making each bag unique to its owner. So let's understand what are the challenges and limitations. Let's not forget every innovation comes with challenges. For starters, 3D printers and materials are expensive, which limits accessibility for many designers, especially the young designers and brands. Then there is the issue of comfort. 3D printed garments, especially those made of rigid materials, can be tough to wear for an extended period of time. For example, while the spider dress made by Anouk Vipret is stunning, it's more of a statement piece than everyday wear. Lastly, the learning curve. Designers need to master digital tools and software to create 3D designs. But as more schools, colleges, and workshops offer training, this barrier is slowly coming down. So, what's in store for the future? The future of 3D printing in fashion is incredibly exciting. Imagine downloading a digital file of a dress and printing it at home. Brands like Ministry of Supply are already exploring this concept with 3D printed knitwear. There's also potential for biodegradable materials to replace plastics, making 3D printing even more sustainable. Designers like Denit Peleg are experimenting with fully 3D printed wardrobes, showcasing how versatile and accessible this technology could become. For young designers, this is a playground of creativity. By embracing 3D printing, they can push their boundaries, experiment with sustainability, and create truly one-of-a-kind pieces. So 3D printing is more than just a trend. It's a glimpse into the future of fashion. From breathtaking runway designs to customizable pieces every day is changing the game. So what do you think? Would you wear a 3D printed outfit or maybe even try creating one? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into tech and fashion, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay stylish and curious. Until I see you again, this is me, Siddhi Mapsankar, signing off for now. Lots of love. God bless.